Today I'm talking about the LUCID Air. It's available with a 92 kilowatt battery all the way up to 118 kilowatt battery. Single motor 480 horsepower, dual motor 620 horsepower, dual motor high performance 1050 horsepower, and the tri-motor version produce 1200 horsepower, 2 seconds 60 and 200 mile/hour top speed. And overall available with all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, and trim levels include Pure, Touring, Grand, Touring Performance and Sapphire. Of course, the interior is luxurious, high quality and high tech. The exterior is elegant and stylish. Standard features include a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, massaging front seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, 34-inch display with 3 screens and a 4th screen available in the lower part of the dash, and a 21-speaker sound system, wireless charging, rear seat executive package is available, which includes reclining rear seats, and more luxury features are available. The interior can be trimmed with wood and leather and other options, and the exterior is also customizable as well. The EV range is 416 miles all the way up to 500 plus mile EV range. Prices $92,000 up to all the way up to $249,000 plus. But again, in the future there will be a more affordable $80,000+ version with rear wheel drive in the base Pure trim. So compared to the competition like the EQS and the BMW i7, it doesn't have the comfort, luxury, the design flair, the brand prestige, or the quality to compete against those vehicles, and that's a fact. Even in terms of the second row comfort and luxury or VIP experience, it lacks that. But overall, this is the third best in the segment, and there is no question about that, and should not even be compared to a Tesla Model S. And if you do that, you can't be an automotive enthusiast. Thank you very much for joining me on this show.